Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add more than one animation to Clip in CapCut PC. So you only add one animation to one clip, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can add more than one animation to one clip. So how to just tap on the clip and you can split the clip before. For example, I'm going to split the clip into three sections here and just tap on first one and select animation, select in animation. So you can select this animation you like here. For example, select this shake one. Sorry, just for the duration. Select second one, select combo animation, select this one you like, and the last you can select out animation, select this one you like. Just for iteration, here you go. So that's how to add the animation, more than one animation to clip. I hope this was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.